Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Friends, this video contains a very beautiful and elegant collection of hand embroidery dresses. Yes, guys, you have heard me right. All of these hand embroidery dresses are based on one fabric color that is black. Black dresses are total entire base collection of this whole video. The reason why I have chosen black color is that black is the color that every girl likes to wear, every girl wants, and every girl praises if a girl or a woman passes by nearby just wearing it because black is the color of beauty and it absorbs the captivity of every color in itself. So now let's move back towards our main concern. Guys, you can make different type of stylized patterns of hand embroidery as you can look into this. You can make necklines, shirt embroidery, kameez, gown, t-shirt, sweatshirts, sweaters, handmade, dresses, bodycon dresses, frocks, mini dresses, midi dresses, some sleeveless dresses, half sleeve dresses, summer outfits, as well as winter outfits could also be designed by using these very beautiful and elegant combination of floral color embroidery patterns. And the beauty of these designs and the creativity of these designs is that you can use these designs for making hand embroidery patterns as well as for machine embroidery also. And even you can use the exact patterns for liquid embroidery also. So I would suggest you to do try these patterns, whether you are a hand embroidery lover, you are a machine embroidery artist, or you like to create liquid embroidery dresses. So guys, do like my video, keep supporting us because your support is the only way through which we could grow up into a large and remarkable number of YouTube friends and family members. And with this, allow me to leave, but you don't go anywhere. Watch the video till end so that you could get all the amazing and beautiful trendy ideas. And I have one more request, guys, that please, please, please do make a habit of sharing my videos and leave comments below my video. And stay tuned for the new and more upcoming latest videos. Up till then, guys, stay blessed, be happy, spread positivity, and be positive.